Friends, welcome back. I'm Sohail Khan and I'm a Cisco certified trainer. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming worldwide. Okay, for online training, you can contact me. This is my number. Okay, so in today's lecture, what we are going to learn? In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the Python programming, how to install the Python programming software. Like to do the Python programming, you need a software, you need a shell interpreter which convert your code into a binary. Okay, so for that purpose, you need a software to install. So in lecture number 1, we have learned that what is Python and how to use where the top companies. And in lecture number 2, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Python programming software. Okay, so let's start the video. But before that, I give online training worldwide. So if anybody is interested in online training, so this is my contact number, this is my WhatsApp number, and this is my email ID. You can WhatsApp me. I give 100% expertization guaranteed, and most important point is either you are a fresher or you are from IT background or non-IT background, or you don't know anything about programming language, or it is very difficult for you. Don't worry, I only need your time. That's it. I give 100% expertization guaranteed that I will make you guys expert in Python programming. Okay. And second thing is, if you are a new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. See how to go to my channel. Just go to the YouTube and type CCN Expert. CCN Expert is the name of my channel, or you can type CCN by Sohail Khan. Just type CCN Expert. See here, CCN Expert is the name of my channel. So when you go to the CCN Expert channel, here don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon notification to get update all the latest videos be updated about this. Here are the playlist I will be creating for the Python programming. So don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's start the video. Python installation. So lecture number 2, installation of Python programming. Okay. So to install Python, we need Python interpreter. So what does this Python interpreter do? This convert a code into binary language. So any code, any programming which you have done in the Python, so this Python interpreter will convert your code into a binary language. And second software we need is IDE, integrated development environment, for troubleshooting purpose and all. So this two thing we need. Okay. So now how to download this? See, so this is the website. So what you have to do? See, you just have to need to go to Google, www.google.com. All right. And here you have to just type Python download. That's it. Python download. Okay, so this will appear, and just click here download Python programming from the original website. Okay, and just go to download. See here, download the latest version for Windows is download right now. Python 3.8.0 is running. So just go here and just download it. Okay, and after once you download, like see, once you download this, okay, just double click on this and run the file. So when you run the file, this installation begin. This window will come. So once you download the file and you double tap on the file and you run, so this window will appear. So here just click install now. Okay, you have to click on install now. After clicking on install now, okay, this setup will start, and this setup will install your software. Okay, and after the installation setup was successful, then close it. Okay, so once you have done, once you have downloaded and once you have installed, let me show you. See, from here you have to download. All right, so once you download this, so after downloading you can double click and you can install, you can follow the step. All right, like this. So what to do after the downloading? Just double click on the setup and click on install now. And once you click on install now, the setup will start installing the Python programming software, which is we call ideally. And once it is done, so it will show you setup was successful and then close. Now after closing, how to search for this, right? How to search for this? Like let's say this is your screen and you have completed the installation. Now how to search this? So just go to search window and type idle. So I have both. So I have downloaded and installed this 3.8.2. So here we go idle, double click on idle. So it will open. See, this is the software for Python. This is the Python software. All right. This is the Python software. Here you can do anything which I'm going to show you in lecture number 3, how to use this, what is float, what is integer, what is string. This thing I'm going to show you in lecture number 3, 4 and 5. So don't forget to watch the next lecture, which is lecture number 3. And for online training you can contact me here. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my email ID. I give you 100% expertization guaranteed. So in lecture number 2, we have learned how to install the software for Python programming and how to search it. Just go here and click idle. Idle, so it will appear after installation and it will open like this. In next lecture, I'm going to show you how to use this and all. So thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you very much.